Yeah. That's some crazy shit though. I said, take a trip down memory lane, remembering pain, symptoms of poverty. But shit wouldn't slow down for Bobby V. Apologies for disrespecting the policies, or if it's not trap music, you are not a hot MC. I was gonna beg your pardon when I had to change your heart. Now I wanna throw a grenade in your fucking apartment. Since in the odd pattern in this market, the hooks are catchy, but they rushing balls like black dolphin. Foot on your neck, too late to back off. You just black coffins, I leave some in awe. I'm that awesome. Cross him, better be kin to Jesus and Nazareth, the Lazarus. Pants half down like here's my ass to kiss. They talk bad on the God, they all blasphemous. Your bladder shift when chromatics pointed at abdomens. Sharp as the tip on a spear, my roots African. I get my point across face like Bob Backlund. I'm shady. Fuck 'em. I said, what's that? Brainstorm, rainform, witch doctor voodoo. Pen got the dogs wanna eat me like a strudel. Seems sweet enough on the stage in the YouTube, but this ain't what you used to. Quite unusual. Live from the Apple, this man got holes on my laptop. That'll do it all for the team, just like a mascot. What's some other shit, but nigga, I forgot. I'm super high. Let's get it pop, pop.
They got stepped in shit, but I'm not 100% sure. It's very unfortunate. Cool as dog shit, get crazy. We out here, man. It's the 4th of July, you know what I mean? It's going down. Y'all wish this was